Digital marketing is one of the easiest skills a beginner can learn and start earning from, even with just your phone. Here are the 5 digital marketing niches that a beginner can start from today and start making money with real examples. So just stay and watch it. Number 1 is social media management. There are many businesses that do not have time to post online, so they look for people who are going to help them to create posts, also to help them to reply comments and grow their pages. This is the work of a digital marketer. You can help them to manage their Instagram pages, their Facebook, their TikTok. So the second one is SEO and blog optimization. This is helping websites to show up on Google. This is helping businesses to show up on Google. Those posts that you see when you type something on Google, they appear on Google search engine. These are work of content writers, people who write blog posts and optimize it for search. The next skill we have here is paid ads. Under paid ads, we have Facebook ads, TikTok ads, we have Google ads. So you can help people to run ads on every of these platforms and earn as high as possible. Those ads you see on YouTube, you see on Google, you see on Facebook, you see on Facebook, you see on Instagram, you see on TikTok. These are people who has learned this skills and monetize this. So you too can also learn and monetize your own skill and start earning from it. All of these skills you can learn there for free. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for my next video, where I will be showing you the top websites where you can learn all of these skills for free, earn certification and start earning as soon as possible. Make sure you don't miss it. Now let's go back to the next skill. Another fantastic skill you can learn is AI-powered digital marketing. This simply means using AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva to create content faster for people. Example, you can generate ad copy for people, create designs, video scripts for brands, and they can pay you as high as possible. Now here's my advice. You don't need to learn everything. Just pick one skill, practice it, and grow it. Now let's talk about the next skill, which is the best, or which is one of the best skills that you can learn today, start cashing out in few months. This skill is short form video marketing. A short form video marketing. When you learn this skill, you're going to become sought after. People will be looking for you. You will be the one that will be running away from work. This is very important because lots of businesses, celebrities, influencers, they want to show up online. You think of TikTok videos, you think of Instagram videos, you think of Facebook videos, you think of Google, you think of YouTube. All of these people, they want to show up on all of these places because people are competing for attention now and for visibility. They need people to do these things for them. Let me tell you, if you learn this skill and master it, by then you'll be cashing out big. You'll be cashing out big this year and even beyond. All you just need is to learn the right AI tools to use and learn basic editing. That is all. And most importantly, stay on trend. And these are some of the hottest digital marketing skills that you need to learn today. Forget about those old ones that are no longer in vogue. And I'm also going to be doing this series to show you other skills in digital marketing that you can learn without even owning a laptop. All you just need is your phone, the right knowledge, the right places, then you are good to go. The desire to learn and stay disciplined. I want to see you in my next video, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'm going to be dropping the free website where you will learn all of these skills for free and more. If you're interested in learning things about digital marketing and AI, please be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more amazing videos. I would like to see you in my next video. Ciao.